How to trade Nifty tomorrow? Trading the Nifty 50 index tomorrow requires a strategic approach based on technical analysis, market sentiment, and risk management. Below is a concise guide to help you prepare for trading Nifty on 12th August 2025, using insights from recent market data and proven strategies. Always note that trading involves risks, and you should consult a SEBI-registered financial advisor before making decisions. 1. Analyze current market trends. Current levels and structure. As of recent data, Nifty is consolidating between 24,700 to 25,200, with resistance at 25,000 to 25,200 and support at 24,800 to 24,700. A breakout above 25,100 could signal a bullish move toward 25,300 to 25,500, while a drop below 24,800 may lead to 24,600 or lower. Trend assessment. The index shows indecision, with elevated volatility. India VIX firm. Watch for early price action to confirm direction. Recent posts on X suggest a potential bounce if Nifty holds above 24,450 to 24,500, but a close below 24,500 could extend downside. 2 key factors to monitor. Technical indicators. RSI, Relative Strength Index near 55 and trending upward, indicating growing buying pressure. MACD, nearing a bullish crossover on daily charts, with hourly charts showing bullish divergence. Bollinger Bands, tightening, suggesting a potential breakout. Moving averages, check if the 5-day MA is above the 20-day MA, uptrend, or below, downtrend, to confirm the daily trend. Global cues, monitor major indices like the Dow Jones and Nikkei, as well as crude oil prices and US inflation data. Stable global markets support Nifty's upside. Institutional activity. Domestic institutional investors, DIIs, are cushioning the market against foreign institutional investor, FII, profit-taking. Reduced FII shorts and futures signal potential upside. Derivatives data. Open interest, OI. Heavy call, OI at 25,200 to 25,300 and put OI at 24,800 suggest a range of 24,800 to 25,300. A put-call ratio, PCR, of ~1.05 indicates mildly bullish sentiment. Nifty futures, if futures trend upward pre-market, it signals bullish opening strength. 3 trading strategies for tomorrow. A. Intraday trading. Trend identification. Use the 5-day and 20-day moving averages to determine the daily trend. Enter trades in the direction of the trend, buy in uptrend, sell in downtrend. Entry points. Use momentum indicators like RSI or stochastic at extreme levels, overbought 70, oversold 30, to time entries. For example, buy near support 24,800 if RSI shows oversold conditions. Action plan. Bullish scenario. If Nifty opens above 25,020 and sustains above 25,100, buy with a target of 25,300 to 25,500 and stop loss below 24,800. Bearish scenario. If Nifty breaks below 24,800, sell with a target of 24,600 and stop loss above 25,000. Volatility. Trade during the first hour, 9:15 to 10:15 a.m. Indian Standard Time. For high volatility and avoid major news events. Options trading. Straddle strategy. Buy a call and put option at the same strike, example 25,000, to profit from large moves in either direction, ideal for high volatility. Monitor implied volatility. 4 high 4 suggests larger price swings, favoring option buyers. Action plan. If expecting a breakout above 25,100, buy a call option with a stop loss below 24,800. If anticipating a drop below 24,800, buy a put option with a stop loss above 25,000. 4. Risk management. Stop loss. Always set a stop loss, example 0.51% of capital per trade, to limit losses. Position sizing. Risk no more than 1-2% of your capital on a single trade. Leverage. Use leverage cautiously, as it amplifies both gains and losses. Diversify. Avoid putting all capital into one trade. 5. Key levels for tomorrow, 12th August 2025. Bullish above, 25,100 target, 25,300 to 25,500. Neutral zone, 24,800 to 25,000 likely sideways. Bearish below, 24,800 target, 24,600. Support, 25,050, 24,800, 24,700, deeper support at 24,500. Resistance, 25,050, 25,200, 25,350. Disclaimer. Trading Nifty involves significant risks, and past performance does not guarantee future results. Always consult a SEBI registered financial advisor and conduct your own research before trading.